fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to share with you another finish. This is actually a finish, my last finish of the month of March. I finished it on the 30th, so I get to count it in all of my March stuff, which is awesome. And it's another finish, which means it's another thing out of my stash, so that is also awesome. And what I finished was Bath Time in B by Diamond Art Club. I'll stick a little photo over there. It is just a picture of what I call Baby Groot. I don't know if he has another name or whatever. In his little bathtub, and he's got a little bee he's pointing to, and there's bubbles, and it's just super cute. It's not a very big painting. It was 15 by 13 inches, I think, so roughly 30 by 40, so not huge. And it was round, so it went faster. So this kit came with two ABs, so we get a little purple AB and a white AB, and then it also came with two fairy dust drills. So we got two, one's like a yellow and the other one's like a green, like a lime green color. So I'll be saving both of these so that I can use those in another project. I did also add two ABs of my own, and that was this 3325, which was a color that was used in some of the bubbles, and this 3865, which I think the only place this actually got used was in his eyes. So I added those two ABs of my own. And you can see I had plenty of drills left over. I didn't run out of anything. I did have some of these. I had two containers of 310. I had, I think, 4 containers of this background color. This is basically the sky background color. Used it down to just one. And I think there's another one that I had more than one of. One of these browns I had more than one of, I think, because that's basically the color of Groot himself. So, but it turned out super cute, super happy with it. And as far as trash goes, you can see, again, it's not a huge kit, but even though it's not huge, almost no trash. Just a couple of these that maybe had some dots or holes in them or were maybe not fully formed, but yeah, almost zero trash. So super happy with that. Okay. So that's the drills, the ABs, the special drills, the trash. Let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. And here he is. I think you can see most of it, but I'll take some B-roll just in case so you can see it up close too. So a nice mix of confetti and multi-placing. Of course, lots of multi-placing in the background up here in all this blue. Lots of multi-placing in Groot himself. You can see the browns. There's a little bit of confetti because there's like these little stripes. Lots of confetti down at the bottom where the water and the pool is and the plants and everything. Lots of confetti in the little bee. So you can see the white AB that came with the kit kind of in the background for some highlights, on Groot for some highlights, and the water for some highlights. And then the blue AB that came with it is, or the purple AB that came with it, I mean, is in the bubbles. The fairy dust drills are here in some of the plants, both the green and the yellow. The yellow is also in the bee itself. And then I added in that blue of the bubbles. There's also a little bit on the bee and the bee's wings. And then the white that I added in is right here on his eyeballs. So maybe it would have looked a little bit better if I had just left those as regular drills, but I think they look fine as ABs, so I'm happy with that. Not as much black as I thought there would be for all of the outlining, so I was happy about that too. And yeah, just turned out really great. It was a nice mix of confetti and multi-placing for me. I think this took me right around 8.5 hours, somewhere around there. So I actually finished this in just a couple of days, which was nice. And because this was so small, I was able to basically put this on a TV tray and sit on the couch with my hubby while I diamond painted. There's only 26 colors, so there wasn't a ton of drills to manage either, so that was nice. And like I showed you, not a ton of trash. So yeah, super happy with how he turned out. I actually sent a picture of this to my nephew, who is the Marvel fan. I sent him a picture when it was only about halfway completed, and he's like, "That's amazing. What is that?" And I said, "It's Baby Groot," right? He sent me a text message back and said, "That looks amazing," because I sent him another picture when I finished it. And he's like, "Good job." So I may hang on to this one and send it to my sister so she could get it framed and give it to him as a gift or something. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. For now, it's going to stay here don't know what the logistics of shipping it back to the States would be. Maybe when we visit, I'll take it myself so I can put it in my suitcase or something so it's not just traveling through the mail. I don't know, we'll see. He may just live here, I don't know. So again, a cute, fun, super quick project for me. Actually really enjoyed this one, and it was nice to kind of crank something out really quickly, and also something that I can now mark off of my stash, so that's awesome. Yeah, just had a lot of fun with this one, and I think it turned out super cute. I know they have a lot of these like smaller ones Diamond Art Club does available on their Amazon store, so leave me a comment down below and let me know, have you done any of the smaller ones that came from their Amazon store? Like I know I did at the end of last year, I did the little chibi Batman that I finished. I know they have lots of like Marvel, DC superhero type stuff that looks like those chibis. There's a Spider-Man I thought about getting for my nephew. They have little Harry Potter ones as well. So if you've ever done any of those, I'm curious what people's thoughts are. So leave me a comment and let me know. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.